Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player step by step. If your video appears sideways or upside down, VLC makes it easy to adjust the orientation while you're watching it. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to rotate. Once the video starts playing, click the Tools menu at the top of the window, then select Effects and Filters. This will open a new settings window with several options for adjusting your video. Next, click on the Video Effects tab, then open the Geometry section. Here, you'll find different options for rotating and transforming your video. Check the box labeled Transform to enable the rotation feature. After that, use the drop-down menu to choose the direction you want to rotate the video. For example, you can rotate it by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees, depending on how your video is displayed. As soon as you select an option, you'll see the change applied during playback. If you need more control, you can also enable the rotate option instead of transform. That lets you rotate the video freely using a circular control until it looks exactly the way you want. Keep in mind that these changes only affect playback inside VLC and do not permanently rotate the original video file. If you want to save the video with the new orientation, you'll need to convert and save it after applying the rotation settings, and that's it. You now know how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.